Welcome to MarineMax Jacksonville Beach. My name is Ty Miller. I'm standing in front of this Monterey M65, the 2021 trade-in that I just took in. Let's step on board to see what it's all about. All right, starting out back here in the back of the boat, we have this Mercury 350 Verado. It's an upgrade from the 300. And they've also gone with the white option. Gives this boat a really classy look. I love this ski locker. Really easy if you're wakeboarding or at the sandbar to get on and off the back of the boat and access everything you need right here. That, in addition to this massive rear swim platform, really feels much bigger than 27 feet on the back of this boat. As we make our way into this Monterey, I think what they've really excelled in is the versatility in the back of this boat. Multiple positions and seating arrangements allow you and your company to arrange the boat whatever way makes you happy. As we make our way into this boat, the water sports tower option really gives this boat better lines and gives our skiers or wakeboarders a lot easier opportunity to get up and out of the water. This is an upgraded option with the wet bar here with the sink and extra storage, garbage bin, which leads us into this L-shaped seating area that really gives us tons of shade underneath the bimini top. As we get to the helm area, you'll notice the Rockford Fosgate subwoofer on this upgraded stereo system, bolster seat at the captain's chair, and at 6'4", no shortage of room to feel really comfortable behind my touchscreen navigation, rocker switches that are going to look good for a long time, Fusion Bluetooth stereo. Really love this setup. As we look behind the wind protection here in the front of the boat, you'll notice we've got a variety of different setups for seating. We've got the full sun pad in for your crew to lounge and relax. We've removed these away, and we've got room for 4 people to sit really comfortably in front of this boat. With a head down below large enough to fit anybody in the family, an additional sink down below, sea deck all the way throughout. They really didn't leave any options off of this M265. Low hours, really kept up clean. This boat's ready to be on the water tomorrow. Please call me 904-444-9660. Ty Miller. I'll see you on the water.